Hi, I'm Bettina Hagel with Brown Harris Stevens. I'd like to welcome you to View New Canaan, a luxury condominium in the heart of New Canaan, Connecticut. Experience a new vision of sophisticated single-level living at the View New Canaan, an exciting new premier luxury condominium community located in the heart of New Canaan, Connecticut. Each uniquely styled living space features fine interior finishes and architectural details, with light-filled open floor plans, custom kitchens, master bedroom suites with spa-like baths, fireplaces, private balconies and terraces with city and park views. The kitchen features thermador appliances with smart technology. The appliances include a French door paneled refrigerator with bottom drawer freezer, single oven, 6-burner natural gas stovetop with sleek concealed vent, dishwasher and microwave that conveniently sits inside a drawer. The beautiful baths feature curbless showers with infinity drains and contemporary frameless shower doors. Backlit mirrors, marble and modern vanity, including heated floors. Unparalleled building amenities include a variety of concierge services, 2 state-of-the-art fitness centers, a natural playscape and zen garden, underground parking with car detailing station and pet washing room. Entertain your guests on the rooftop terrace with outdoor kitchen, TV, fire pit, and stunning sunset views over Mead Park. Enjoy this luxurious lifestyle just steps from the village. Thank you for joining me at the View today. Please call me for a private showing and I'd be happy to give you a tour.